Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show how you can remove any unwanted objects from your photo. So let's start the tutorial. You can search photoroom.com. Enter. So you can see this is the website. Just scroll down and here look at this. Explore the background removal tool. You can also remove a background of your photo. We want to remove unwanted photos. So let's again scroll down. So here you can see remove objects in seconds. Just tap on this. Now again scroll down. Here you can upload your required photo. Now just click on start button. So you can see I successfully uploaded my photo. Now I have to remove this photo. So just double click on this and it is like this. Here you can see I successfully removed. So this is the website. Now if you want to save this photo on your files, just click on this download button and look, your downloading has started. So that's it. Okay guys, keep subscribing this channel, and if you like this video, just click on like button.